Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Windows 10 22H2 has its update preview, as you see here, cumulative update preview for Windows 10, KB5052077. So this is the bug fixing updates for the month of February. Of course, you can ignore them and wait, and they'll be, of course, installing with Patch Tuesday of March. The reason I sometimes tell you to maybe just ignore them for now goes with the fact that in the past few months there have been some issues with the bug fixes that caused problems, and by having this, by waiting for this to be installed on Patch Tuesday, it gives a chance to Microsoft to fix any bugs that might be in there. Now, what does this fix? One, it does fix and support changes for DST in Paraguay. There's narrator fixes, so this is also happening. There's the desktop Windows Manager that stops responding many times, so they fixed that. And the Open SSH or Secure Shell service that fails to start, and so it stops any SSH connections. So this is fixed also. So that's pretty much it for Windows 10. And so if you had these issues, you can install. If you have nothing wrong, you can ignore, and like I said, it'll install eventually on Patch Tuesday of March if you don't install it now. So you can just ignore it. It'll be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.